Are you interested in learning how to earn money simply by copying and pasting photographs onto the internet? It is entirely possible to earn as much as $85 every hour with this strategy. If you're interested, consider how much money you'll make. In today's video, make sure you watch this video all the way through so you won't miss any vital facts. And don't worry, this method is entirely free and available worldwide. You're not required to invest or sell anything, so in order to make this plan work as quickly as possible, make sure you have your smartphone, laptop, or computer on hand. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. The website that we'll be concentrating on in today's video is Zazzle.com. It is a people-powered design platform, which means that Zazzle is a technologically based company with over 100 patents. In terms of ecosystem, Zazzle is filled with diverse people, including customers, designers, makers, brands, and partners, all of whom are connected on a daily basis through content, community, and commerce. When it comes to creating your own content, Zazzle has an easy-to-use website that can assist you in creating your own designs with ease. The best part about this website is that once you publish your own designs, they can be sold as physical products such as mugs, shirts, gift cards, and more. Now, it is important to note that you don't have to do any of the selling because Zazzle will do it for you. To give you an example of what products they sell, click the search bar at the top of the homepage and then click the second category which says Products. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see a preview of the different products that people created on their own through the use of Zazzle's designer tool. If you're not sure what that is, keep watching this video as I'll explain. As you can see, the most popular product featured on Zazzle right now are all about the upcoming Valentine's Day. There's a gift card here, invitations, gift wraps, and even clothing and shoes. What we want to do now is create a product to sell on Zazzle. To do so, simply click on the blue register button above and it will open up a pop-up where you can automatically sign in with a single click by connecting your Facebook, Google, or Apple account. You can also manually sign up for a Zazzle account by entering your email address and password. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be able to design and sell on Zazzle. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Zazzle is also available on your smartphone devices, including Android and iOS devices. So if you don't have a laptop or computer, you can simply download the app from your phone's app store. Now that you have your account, go to the same search bar that we used earlier and look for the Create Your Own option among the categories. This will take you to a page where you can use their design tool for free to begin creating. Now, one of the things I like about Zazzle is that they have their own done-for-you templates that you can just tweak to your own liking. On the left side, you can browse different templates. As an example, if I'm selling an invitation card for the holiday season, I can customize this card to my liking. Here I can change the color of the text by looking at the right side. I can change it however I want. I can also change the font style if I want. Now, on the left side, you can see the different categories such as elements, icons, and backgrounds. Let's say you want to change the background to red. To do so, go to the elements category on the left side and search for the red square. I also want to add more ornaments to the card. To do so, go to the icons category, which you can find on the left side, and search for the ornaments option. I'll just click on this icon and resize it just like this. Then, change the color to white so it fits the rest of the elements on the card. Pretty simple, right? Now, with Zazzle's design tool, you can easily customize your designs and even choose from done-for-you templates. Okay, now once you're done with your product, just download your design to save it to your computer. As always, I want to give you guys bonus tips to earn more money for this website. It's completely possible to earn twice or even thrice the amount of money by going to their homepage. Once you're on their homepage, scroll down to the bottom of the site and look for the text which says Refer a Friend. Zazzle's referral program lets you earn $25 for each person that you refer. As you can see here, they explain how it works. First, you must share your custom link on social media via email or text. Second, each friend you refer receives a fantastic deal of 60% off cards and invites plus 20% off all other products on their first order of $25 or more. And finally, you'll receive a 25% off coupon code to use on Zazzle once your friend's orders ships. Now, isn't that cool? To get started, simply type your email address into the blank right here and press enter. You will then receive your unique referral link to share on social media. You can share it on your Facebook or Twitter account. By using this method in conjunction with Zazzle's referral system, you can earn a lot of money in a single day. You can do this over and over to earn as much money as you want. Just remember that combining the two will maximize your income, and that's it. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.